If your idea of 3D printing is slow and clunky, you're living in the past. The future of manufacturing is picking up speed, and it's changing everything. Just a decade ago, 3D printers were slow, expensive, and mostly for hobbyists or labs. Printing even a small object could take all night. Fast forward to today and the game has changed. Thanks to breakthroughs like resin printers, faster motors, and smarter software, printing times have dropped from hours to minutes. Now, manufacturers can prototype and produce complex parts on demand, slashing wait times and costs. Entire industries, from healthcare to aerospace, are rethinking how they build products, using rapid 3D printing to innovate faster than ever. As speed keeps improving, 3D printing is moving from the fringe to the factory floor. Imagine getting custom shoes, medical devices, or car parts printed almost instantly. The evolution of 3D printing isn't just about going faster, it's about unlocking creativity and transforming the way we make things. The future? It's being printed right now.